Eddy currents. What is eddy current? The term eddy current comes from the turbulence or eddies seen in water current. Eddy currents can take time to build up and persist for very short time interval. Eddy current was discovered by Foucault in 1855. He discovered that the force required to rotate a copper disc becomes greater when it is made to rotate between the pole pieces of a magnet. At the same time, the copper disc gets heated due to eddy current. Now let us know what is that eddy current. Consider a metal sheet. Suppose this is the metal sheet C, this one as shown in the figure, and the metal sheet is moving to the right. It is the left and this is the right. So the metal sheet is moving from left to right with certain velocity. Let us say the velocity of the metal sheet is equal to v, and it is moving from left to right under a stationary magnet. This is a stationary magnet. This is the north pole of the stationary magnet. The south pole is below the sheet. Since the metal sheet is moving, the magnetic flux through a given area of the sheet is changing. Suppose you take this area of the metal sheet. So when the sheet will move, the magnetic flux through this area, through this point on this metal sheet, it will change. If you consider the point here on the metal sheet, then the magnetic field through this point on the sheet will increase as it gets nearer the magnet. As this point gets nearer the magnet, the sheet is coming from this side to this side. So as this point is coming nearer the magnet, the magnetic flux linked with this point will increase. And we know from Faraday law of electromagnetic induction, we know when there will be change in magnetic flux, an EMF will be produced. So by applying Faraday law of electromagnetic induction here, here induction circular eddy currents, circular eddy current induction will be produced here. So an eddy current, let us say I, will be produced at this point or at this section of the sheet. And since the flux is increasing, the eddy current, produced eddy current will be in counterclockwise direction. As you see in this figure, the production of eddy current will be in counterclockwise direction. And here the eddy current is decreasing. If you consider this area, here the eddy current is decreasing. So here the flux is decreasing. So the production of eddy current here will be in clockwise direction. So when the magnetic field through a given point on the sheet is decreasing as it gets away from the magnet, circular eddy current will be produced in clockwise direction around the magnetic field lines. Thus, eddy currents are currents that circulate in conductors induced by changing magnetic field and produced in basically closed loops. That means the shape of the eddy current is closed one. You see in this figure, this is a metallic plate and which oscillates in between two pole pieces of a permanent magnet. And here when the metallic plate oscillates, it the plate moves in a time varying magnetic field. So eddy current will be produced in this plate. The circular eddy current will be produced in this plate, and this eddy current will produce damping in the oscillation. But if you cut the plate like this, then the eddy current, production of eddy current can be minimized. Instead of a square plate, if you cut the plates like this, then the production of the eddy current can be minimized in the plates. There are various applications of eddy currents. Some of the applications are magnetic braking in trains. We can apply magnetic brakes in trains. When the magnetic brake is applied, the magnetic field is switched on in the train, as a result of which eddy current will be produced. So it helps in magnetic braking. The second application is electromagnetic damping, and the third application is in induction furnace. Similarly, eddy currents are also used in electric power meters. So there are various applications of eddy currents.